Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy skies across the area. Currently seeing a deck of clouds around 5,000 feet starting to move towards the region out of the north. Should see a brief time period today where we have mostly cloudy skies, possibly overcast. But overall, going to see a good amount of sunshine for this afternoon. We'll see some windy conditions pick up for this afternoon as well. Some winds out of the northwest, possibly gusting as high as 40 miles an hour. So we'll see some cooler conditions overall today compared to yesterday. However, no chances of precipitation or lightning, so in general, good conditions other than the windy weather we're expecting. Our freezing level this morning from the sounding is at 7,700 feet. Winds out of the northwest throughout the column this morning and increasing fairly uniformly with height up to 101 knots at 25,000 feet. Current surface analysis, we have a cold front south of our area that moved through early this morning. We have that type of cloud cover starting to move through the area, and that'll move through for this morning until about noon to 1 o'clock, and then after that we should see in general clear skies or mostly sunny skies across the area. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have those clouds starting to approach from the north and northwest. Move through the region this morning. And looking at the European model for the next few days, you can see we'll have high pressure and control in general from today into tomorrow through Thursday. And then once we move into Friday, that area high pressure starts to weaken across the region, especially during the evening hours, and we'll see a upper-level disturbance starting to approach from the Great Lakes. That's going to give us a chance of some rain showers later on Friday. And then Saturday looks like this area low pressure will develop off the Mid-Atlantic to northeast coast, and that's going to possibly provide us some windy conditions on Saturday as well as some rain showers, especially during the morning into the afternoon hours. Right now, still a lot of uncertainty with this system and where it does develop, how quickly it does develop, and how strong it does become. So we'll continue to monitor that situation for Saturday. Then Sunday looks like, in general, fairly good conditions across the region, high pressure in control, and we'll have another upper-level disturbance starting to approach for Monday into Tuesday. And the European really does develop this system on Monday. This is the outlier of the models right now with a very strong system on Monday and Tuesday. We could be seeing some rain showers move through from that time period with that upper-level system moving across the country into our area. Taking a look at our high today, around 53, low tonight around freezing. We'll see those winds pick up here fairly soon out of the northwest, and looks like we'll have a wind advisory most likely by about noon today, and that'll most likely continue through the early morning hours of Wednesday. We'll see wind gusts winds sustained from 14 to 19 knots in the northwest, gusting to 31 knots. Could see a few gusts higher up to 40 miles an hour possible throughout the day today. As far as our terminal forecast goes, as I mentioned, could see that mostly cloudy to overcast deck around 5,000 feet this morning. But once we get past about 1,300 local 1 o'clock this afternoon, should see anywhere from partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies across the region. And then by tomorrow morning, just going to see a little bit of cloud cover over the Atlantic Ocean as well as Chesapeake Bay with some colder air in the region. Going to see a scattered deck of some stratocumulus clouds around 2,000 feet. Our tides running slightly above normal this time, and Wednesday into Thursday. Wednesday partly cloudy and windy during the morning, becoming mostly sunny and slightly breezy, cooler. We'll see a high of only 49 on Wednesday. We'll see those winds over 25 knots during the morning on Wednesday. For Wednesday night, mostly clear, partly cloudy, low of 30. And for Thursday, mostly sunny, becoming partly cloudy, a high of 51 degrees. Next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures anywhere from the lower 50s to the upper 40s for the next 7 days. We'll see overnight lows from the next 3 days in the lower 30s, possibly in the upper 20s across the region, especially inland. Once we move into Friday and Saturday, we'll see some rain showers across the region, 60% chance of some rain showers late Friday, continuing with that chance throughout the day on Saturday as of right now, with some breezy conditions as well. So we'll continue to monitor that forecast for Saturday. Right now, Sunday looks like a decent day across the region, but running about 5 to 6 days out right now. So going to see this forecast change and evolve as the models do a better job of resolving that upper-level disturbance moving through the region for Saturday and Sunday. And as I mentioned, on Monday, could be seeing some afternoon showers or possibly evening showers come through with the next system moving through. But we'll continue to monitor that forecast as well with looks like temperatures slightly below average for the next 7 days with highs in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.